Is Sybill, the AI-powered sales assistant, actually worth it? We tested it to see if it lives up to the hype. And here's what we found. Sybill is designed to help sales team close more deals by automatically analyzing calls and generating follow-up emails. It's like having an AI sales coach that listens in and gives you feedback. We were impressed by how well it captured meetings. It didn't just transcribe calls. It picked up on buyer sentiment, tone shifts, and key moments, then summarized everything clearly. The real game changer was the automated follow-up emails. After a call, Sybill generated well-written summaries with action points, saving us time and making sure nothing slipped through the cracks. It also integrates with major CRMs and video conferencing tools, so syncing notes and data into our pipeline was seamless. The pros? Smart insights, strong automation, and a real boost in post-call productivity. The cons? It works best for teams doing high-volume sales calls and may be overkill for casual users or small teams. So, is Sybill worth it? If your team relies on consistent, insight-driven sales calls, it's a powerful tool. For fast-paced teams aiming to scale and close more deals, it's definitely worth a closer look. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.